Nobody needs a picture of a man stoned away in a casket. Nobody needs a picture of a man stoned away in a casket.
Alright guys, today we're going to do a very special review in my Hot Wheels collection. Today we're going to review, boom, look at this, a Pontiac Firebird. Very cool. We are doing 80s and 90s cars this week. I think this technically can be considered a 70s car because it does say 77 on the base here. But the Smoking the Bandit did come out in the 80s. At least part 2 did. So we're going to go ahead and include this car. Look at this car. This car is older than Sam. Almost older than me. I was born in 74. This car was from 77. Beautiful car. I had this car when I was a kid, for sure. Definitely had to rebuy it to put it in my collection. Alright, today's driver is Stu Murray. The reason I picked this iconic car of the South for Stu is because he saw a Firebird painted like this over in Scotland. So I was like, well, one day we'll get to that Firebird and I'll let Stu drive it. So Stu will be the bandit today. So even though these cars back then were called Hot Birds from Hot Wheels, I'm not too sure why. I've tried to look it up. Maybe they just didn't have the license to call it the Firebird. But they call this the Hot Bird. So, but it's definitely supposed to be a Pontiac, for sure. Alright, Stu's going to take his Firebird down the ILC track, through the ILC speedometers, through the finish line. On your mark. Get set. Go. Whoa. Oh my goodness. That was fast. He did go at 30 though. Here's Woodman in the DD series in his 99 Monte Carlo. Jeez, Jason. In his 99 Monte Carlo concept. Pretty cool. Very heavy car.
No longer babies.
No longer babies. Yep, Woodman in his 99 Monte Carlo. He's actually going for his 10th win. His 10th win. Alright, Sammy, ready? Mark. Get set. Oh, careful. Mark. Get set. Go. Oh my goodness. A crash, Sammy. A crash. No, we need an ambulance this time. Oh my goodness. Poor Stu. We'll be right back. Oh my goodness. Alright. I think Stu's okay, Sammy. They're pulling Stu out. He's waving to the crowd, but look at these speeds he made, Sam. Look at those speeds.
40 and 15.
Yeah. Stu's car is badly damaged, but it is safe to go around his car. There is no fire. They're just going to give him the trophy way down here on the big turns. So here's his trophy. Good job, Stu, for his 8th win. He is tied now. Well, he's tied with nobody right now. So, good job. The road to 12, guys. This is a very exciting week. Okay, guys. We'll see you later. Bye.
Okay, guys, bye.
friends are bad. I tell you friends are bad. I tell you make them go away on a sunny day. Stab them in the back. I tell you what, son. Stab them in the back. I tell you what, son. Make them go away on a sunny day. Stab them in the back. Stab them in the back.